You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to say the number 12 in Italian. How do you say 12 in Italian? If you want to learn more Italian and counting, stay tuned and skip until the end of the video. We've got more for you. This is how you write it, and it's pronounced Dodici. Dodici. Yes, the C is pronounced like CH. Dodici is how you say 12 in Italian. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.